Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that affects many people, including myself, imposter syndrome. It's that feeling of inadequacy and self-doubt, where you believe that you're not good enough or that you don't belong. But the good news is that there are ways to overcome it. In this video, I'm going to share some tips and strategies that have helped me and many others conquer imposter syndrome. Tip number 1. Recognize it and name it. The first step in overcoming imposter syndrome is to recognize that you have it. Many of us may not even realize that we're experiencing it. Once you recognize it, give it a name. This can help you to separate yourself from the feeling and to see it as something that is not a part of you. You can say to yourself, "Oh, that's just my imposter syndrome talking." Tip number 2. Reframe your thinking. Imposter syndrome is often fueled by negative self-talk and limiting beliefs. To overcome it, you need to reframe your thinking. Instead of thinking, "I'm not good enough," try thinking, "I may not know everything, but I'm capable of learning and growing." You can also try writing down your accomplishments and the positive feedback you've received to counteract the negative self-talk. Tip number 3. Seek support and validation. Talking to others who have gone through similar experiences can be incredibly helpful. You can seek support from friends, family, or a mentor. You can also join a support group or attend workshops and conferences where you can meet others who share your struggles. Remember, you're not alone in this. Tip number 4. Embrace your mistakes. One of the biggest fears of those with imposter syndrome is making mistakes. But the truth is, everyone makes mistakes, and it's a natural part of the learning process. Instead of beating yourself up over mistakes, try to learn from them. Ask yourself, "What can I learn from this experience?" and use it as an opportunity for growth. Tip number 5. Take action. Finally, taking action is the best way to overcome imposter syndrome. Don't let self-doubt hold you back from pursuing your goals and dreams. Take small steps towards your goals, and celebrate your progress along the way. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about showing up and doing your best. Conclusion. So, those are some tips and strategies to help you overcome imposter syndrome. Remember, it's a common experience, and you're not alone. By recognizing it, reframing your thinking, seeking support, embracing your mistakes, and taking action, you can conquer imposter syndrome and achieve your goals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.